Hello YouTube, today I'm back and today we are going to show you how you can fix your phone is not activated message on your LG Cosmos Touch for Verizon. So let's get started. First, you want to press this volume up button and then turn on your speakerphone. Right there. And as you can see, this is the speakerphone icon. Next, you want to go to your dialer and then dial any number. For example, *86 or *86, which is voicemail. Press call and
Sorry, your phone is not yet activated. To activate your phone, please press the N key. Then dial customer service.
Disculpe, su teléfono no está activado todavía. Para activar su teléfono, por favor presione la clave terminal y después marque a servicio de atención al cliente.
Message 13. Switch 517.
you heard your phone is not yet activated. So, what you want to do is go into your menu, or actually, you want to go into your dialer. You want to go into your dialer and then dial #5 473 78 4236 368 and then press call and then your service code. Enter your service code, which is 000000, and then go to field tests. Sorry about that. I accidentally clicked something. Like an emergency test number. So go to network select and then you want to go to band preference. Select any. And then room preference. Go to any. Go to DTB preference. Choose automatic A or automatic B. A or B. You can choose either one, A or B. So, go into next. Then you want to go into dialer and then dial a number, for example, *. Well, turn on speakerphone again and then dial *86 or any number. Press call. You'll hear this message.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Please hold while your call is transferred to an external operator.
So, it said, "Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Please hold while your call is transferred to an external operator." And that's how you fix your phone is not activated on the LG Cosmos Touch for Verizon. So I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.